Are you tired of battling pet hair and persistent messes? Enter the Bissell Cleanview Swivel Upright Vacuum, your ally in the war against pet-related chaos. More than just a vacuum, it's a solution designed to deliver outstanding performance, specifically crafted for homes with furry companions. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Swivel steering for effortless maneuverability. Navigating around furniture and obstacles is a breeze with the swivel steering feature. Cleaning every nook and cranny becomes easy, ensuring no pet hair is left behind. Say goodbye to the frustration of reaching those tricky spots. Triple Action Brush Roll, pet hair's worst nightmare. The Triple Action Brush Roll is a powerhouse against embedded pet hair. It lifts, loosens, and removes those stubborn strands, leaving your floors immaculate. The silk-like bristles are gentle on hard surfaces, effectively removing fine debris while containing it with scatter-free technology. Multi-surface cleaning mastery. Equipped with scatter-free technology, this vacuum puts an end to the scatter when dealing with dry pet messes on hard surfaces. Enjoy a clean sweep without worrying about debris spreading, and relish the joy of spotless floors. Edge-to-edge cleaning for thorough results. The Bissell Cleanview Swivel Upright Vacuum doesn't cut corners. With edge-to-edge cleaning capabilities, it tackles pet hair, dirt, and debris along edges and in corners. Your entire floor is covered with every pass, giving you confidence in the cleanliness of your space. Specialized pet tools onboard solutions. Pets leave messes everywhere, not just on the floor. This vacuum comes with specialized pet tools conveniently stored on board. The Pet Turbo Eraser tool ensures efficient cleaning on stairs, upholstery, and more. Your home stays pet hair free on every surface. Easy Empty Dirt Tank, quick and mess-free cleanup. Dealing with the aftermath of a cleanup can be a hassle. Not with the Bissell Cleanview. The Easy Empty Dirt Tank opens at the bottom with the press of a button, making post-cleanup cleanup a quick and mess-free affair. Support a cause. Every purchase saves pets. Bissell proudly supports the Bissell Pet Foundation and its noble mission to help save homeless pets. When you invest in a Bissell product, you're not just getting a top-tier cleaning solution. You're contributing to the well-being of pets in need. In conclusion, the Bissell Cleanview Swivel Upright Vacuum is more than a cleaning appliance. It's a testament to Bissell's commitment to creating products that not only tackle messes, but also contribute to a greater cause. Say goodbye to pet-related headaches and hello to a cleaner, more pet-friendly home. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.